Sneezing is a fascinating reflex that our bodies use to protect us. When irritants like dust or pollen enter our noses, the body reacts by sending signals to the brain. This triggers a deep inhalation, followed by a forceful expulsion of air through the nose and mouth. Did you know that a single sneeze can release over 100,000 droplets into the air? That's why sneezing is nature's way of clearing out unwanted particles and keeping our airways clear. Interestingly, sneezing can also be triggered by bright lights or even a full stomach. This is known as photic sneezing. So, the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember it's your body's way of saying, "Let's clear the air."